You know,
Let's look at Nvidia.
yeah.
Lots of people were asking.
You know, this has been a superstar on leaderboard. We've trimmed leaderboard considerably in light of recent market weakness, but this is still a long and strong stock on leaderboard, and just showing just really nice action at the 50-day moving average. Just a very, very impressive stock. We've got a very big profit cushion in this one. It's been an easy hold, and that's something that there aren't a lot of stocks that have been easy to hold during this recent selling. But Nvidia was just a great test of the 50-day moving average.
Yep.
Yeah.
Aside from that, I mean, look at the RS line. Again, it's not actionable right now. It's off the 50-day line, and it doesn't have a base, but this is one you want to keep an eye on. I mean, this is just one that you put that on that list, and hopefully in a few weeks you get that.
Yeah, I mean,
I know
ideally this would form a new base because it's just been riding the 10-week line
Yeah.
higher for
Yeah.
a long time, and we added this on leaderboard all the way back around 185, something like that. But it's just been kind of riding the 10-week higher. So ideally it can form a little base here, and then we get a legitimate new entry.
Yeah, I think we tend to sound like a broken record about the relative strength line, but there's a reason why on Bill's charts that he created before all of us were born, that the only thing that he really had on there were two things. Well, before you were born, right? I'm not sure about before we were born, before I was born. But anyways, what the S&P is doing, what the general market is doing, and then the relative strength line, and just a couple moving averages. Really simple. I mean, and he had access to all the other things that you could put on there, and some of them are valid, and some of them just become noise. But he found early on how important it is, and every year we just find how it becomes even more important.